Welcome to Nana's Nuggets, where good food meets great advice on disability and life. We're making something special today: spinach and ground turkey egg rolls, something unique in time for Thanksgiving. Healthy and full of flavor. First, I saute garlic, then add ground turkey, spinach, a splash of soy sauce. Simple but tasty. Once it cools, I spoon it into egg roll wrappers and roll them up tight. Now, while I roll, let me explain something folks always ask. What's the difference between SSD and SSI? SSD is based on your work history. You've earned credits. SSI is for people with limited income and resources, regardless of work history. Think of it like these egg rolls. Same wrapping, but one side is different. Knowing which one fits your situation can save a lot of time and confusion. And don't worry, we'll help you figure it out.